How to turn off voice chat in WhatsApp group. So this is something you can do for yourself, not for other people. So if you want to do it for yourself, what you're going to want to do is not go on the WhatsApp app itself. You want to go to the settings menu on your phone. So it'll be similar on Android, but on iOS devices like the iPhone, you want to go to the settings menu. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom until you can see the WhatsApp app. Once you see the WhatsApp app, you want to go ahead and click on that. That will bring up the WhatsApp settings. Then in the menu, you should be able to see where it says microphone. You want to turn that off, so make sure it's not green. Go ahead and click that so it turns black, so it looks like that on the microphone section. Then if you go into the WhatsApp group, then the bottom right hand corner where you usually do a voice message will pop up like this. You just want to click cancel. You have to go into the settings to turn it back on, the same place where you were at before, and that will kind of stop that for you and turn it off. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.